Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple Italian meal using Savory crepes. You can find my crepe recipe right here at the website. We start by heating olive oil in a skillet. We add 1 cup of onions and a tablespoon of chopped garlic. We're going to add a pound of ground beef, some Food Guru steak spice, and a pinch of oregano. Cook the beef until it's nicely browned, just like this. It's good. Place ricotta cheese in a bowl, add 1 whole egg, some Parmesan cheese, handful of mozzarella cheese, and some Food Guru steak spice to give it a big stir. We're going to place one of the crepes on the counter, top it with some of the ricotta cheese mixture, some of the browned ground beef, a little bit of fresh basil, and then roll it up. Spray a pie tin and place the crepe in the pan. Top the crepe with marinara sauce, some mozzarella cheese. We're going to bake it in a 400-degree oven until it looks golden brown, just like this, and then we transfer it to our serving plate. Doesn't that look awesome? And if you want to gourmet this up a bit, sprinkle it with fresh basil, kalamata, olives, and capers. Top it with shaved Parmesan cheese, sprig of basil, put it with some Chianti, and let the good times roll. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru.